I'll wait to see
Jumping backwards.
your golden smile, feel of 1,000 kisses. Oh, please stay a while. I'll reach up to hold your.
Hi everybody. Do we remember how to do our kangaroo hops, our jumping? Can you show me your kangaroo positions? Well, this time we're going to do some jumping backwards. So what we need is our bouncy feet. We need to make sure that we're pushing up with our knees and our bottoms and pushing up. And we need our kangaroo hands. Very, very important. Can you show me your kangaroo hands? Show me your kangaroo hands. And we're going to go backwards, okay? We can do this. Right, everybody ready? We're going to go push back, push back, push back. Whoop. Turn around and pushing back, pushing back, pushing back, pushing back. Big jumps. Let's turn around and do a few more. Pushing back, pushing back, pushing back. Oh. Let's try and do a couple quick ones. Can we do a couple quick ones? Ready? Jump, 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 jump. Other way. And jump, 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 jump. Very good.
Okay, now that you're a professional, let's do it with some music. Let's go.
I'll wait to see your golden smile.
Josh is being a kangaroo that only jumps backwards. Let's all be backwards jumping kangaroos.
Stay a while. I'll reach up to hold
Jump, jump, jump,
your
jump, jump, jump.
feels like a handful still.
Let's try going a bit faster.
I'm in your warm embrace.
Jump, jump, jump,
I hope this feeling lasts till the ocean
jump, jump, jump.
glass.
I think all the animals think that Josh is lost. What is he doing jumping backwards?
Together